In this video, I am going to show you how to set up voicemail on AT&T cordless phones. So first of all, you'd like to check that the voicemail is available. Before you begin, just make sure your AT&T phone service includes voicemail. If you are unsure, just contact AT&T or check your account. If your phone only has an answering machine, you don't need these steps. So of course, to access the voicemail using your cordless phone, you'll have to press and hold an example 1 if your service supports it. And it might be a little bit different depending on the model that you have. Or you may have to dial your voicemail access number provided by AT&T. You can then follow the voice prompt to begin the setup. Of course, some phones or some models, you'll find a simple button for that where you can just go and click on it. So during the setup of the voicemail, you will have to create your PIN. During the setup, you'll be asked to create a voicemail PIN, and you can confirm the PIN afterwards. You can choose a PIN that's easy to remember but difficult for others to guess. And then you'll have to start recording your greetings. Follow the prompts to record your personal greeting or use the default system greeting. You can speak clearly and press the requested key to save it. So example, for such phone like that, you may find the record button. For something like that, you will not find it. So after that, you can just go and test your voicemail. Call your home phone from another phone and let it ring until the voicemail answered. Leave a short message, then check that you can listen to it successfully. If that's worked for you, you should be good to go. As an example, here some models have the record button where you have just to record and they have the answers on. So the voicemails will be there and you can just always click on it to be able to hear it. You can delete it, repeat it, skip to the next voicemail. You have a voicemail, you have play, stop. So depending on the model of the phone that you have. So yeah, that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.